everyone, welcome to my channel. This video was taken in 2019 while I was in Belize, and I'm only now getting around to posting it because that's how much I procrastinate. I wanted to show you around the most beautiful rainforest hotel called the Rainforest Lodge at Sleeping Giant, which is located in Belmopan, Belize. It was raining most of the time I stayed there, so I wasn't able to do a lot of the activities on the property, but honestly I prefer traveling in the rainy off-season because it's cheaper and it's my favorite weather. The entire property was just so green and lush. I wish I had spent more time there. Apparently the hotel is on a 600-acre farm, so all the meals at the restaurant were made fresh from the farm, and it was some of the best food I've ever had. This is the restaurant up here. My dumbass only recorded the hotel room on a phone, so sorry about that, but this room was awesome. It has an indoor bathroom with a shower, and you step outside and there's a little outdoor section of the bathroom with a bath and a shower. I don't know if you've ever had a bath in the rain before, but I highly recommend it. I think this was the Riverview room, but there was a lot of other options there as well. Here's a few seconds of rain ASMR for you. On the day it wasn't raining, I got a bike, which they rent out for free, and went on a bike ride through the farm. The whole experience was honestly perfect, and whether you want to go in the rain or sunshine, I really recommend that you stay here at some point in your life, but you should totally go in the rain. Okay, bye! Thanks for watching!